So I'm out here waiting on my table at Finnegan's, and I'm pretty excited to try this. I think I'm already decided what I'm gonna order, what I'm gonna try. Besides drinks, probably gonna try the Reuben and the shepherd's pie, kind of go classic with the whole Irish pub feel. So looking very forward to that, and I'll show you guys what I got and what it tastes like, what you can expect when you come to Finnegan's. Come with me, I got you. Let's go do this. Got seated right by the window. There's some street entertainment going on out there. It is really crowded and busy in here. Loud, high energy, a lot of fun. So I ordered a snake bite, which is very similar to what you could get in the UK at Rose and Crown. It's Harp's Lager and Magner's Hard Cider. Cheers. We're going to give it a try. That's good. The cider and the beer together, it's refreshing. It's the reason it's a very popular drink. It's even called the snake bite here. It's really good. Recommend it. For appetizer, ordered the beer cheese with the pretzel bread, and it is Guinness beer that is the beer foundation with the beer cheese, and then the fresh, that looks so good. The fresh pretzel bread. It's got a nice little crunch on the outside, but it's soft. So we're gonna give that a try. I'm sure you can see that there. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, just gonna get right in there, give it a try. It's so good. The stout Guinness gives it a much stronger flavor. And it's 3 different types of cheese. Got some sharp cheese, but it's smooth. A lot of flavor, very, very good. The pretzel bread is perfect. Really good, really good. The Reuben, the classic Reuben, and it looks good. The roast beef, all of it looks really good. And also got the shepherd's pie. And also got the shepherd's pie. It's a classic, it's a specialty. Gonna try a little bit of both things. Tell you what I think. All right. Want to try this Reuben? It's a little messy. It's a big sandwich. I'm just going to dive in and go for it. Tons of flavor. Tons of flavor. The sauce, the Thousand Island sauce, is really good. The meat's really well done. The bread is great. I mean, what can you say? It's just a classically well-done Reuben. All right. Now, I can't wait to try the shepherd's pie. Try to get in there. Get a bite with everything in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that. Here we go. spoon at you that something is good, this is really good. There's a reason why it's their specialty. There's a reason why this is like classic comfort food done right. It is good. Everything about it is good. Tons of flavor. The potatoes, the cheese, the meat, everything works together. I really like the Reuben, but if you're coming here and you can only get one thing, I'm going to say get this shepherd's pie. It's got the fork wagon seal of approval, so you get it. I'm going to eat. I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. So I'm finishing up here at Finnegan's Irish Pub, and it was really good. I highly recommend it. For 2 of their signature entrees, an appetizer, a beer, the snake bite drink, with the annual pass was only $60. That, for the quality of food, how good it was, the size of the portions, I highly, highly recommend this as a place for you to come and check out when you're in Universal Studios. It gets the ABA seal of approval 100%. I will definitely be back to try some other things on the menu, other drinks, signature cocktails. It was really, really good. But now I'm trying to rush over and catch a reservation at Mythos at Islands of Adventure and have dinner there and try that out. So I raced over to Mythos. Hopefully I can still get in. Good news, even though it was about 25 minutes late getting here, they're still going to be able to seat me and get me in before the end of the night over here. The Islands of Adventure closes at 8, and Universal Studios closes at 7, so it's kind of early, so it's racing from one to the other. But fortunately, I get to try out Mythos, which is apparently the best theme park restaurant on the planet. And for someone who has a degree in history with classic Greek and Rome being my emphasis, I used to teach it at high school, I'm really looking forward to this. Wow, this place is super cool. I can't wait to eat. Alright, so I'm going to try the shrimp roll, some extra wasabi, and the spanakopita dip. Alright, I'm just going to try to get in there with a little bit. I'm just going to take a bite without the pita bread, tell you how it tastes. How about that? Yes. Just yes. Yep. It's good. Try it. Buy it. No further elaboration needed. Eat it. Now, I'm going to try the shrimp sushi roll here with some extra wasabi. It's good. It's got flash fried panko on the outside, sweet little glaze, and then the wasabi adds some heat. It's really good. Great 2 appetizers. Very, very good. I'm not trying the octopus. Not that adventurous. But these 2, good. I got the fork, knife, and spoon grilled cheese. Look at that. That looks good as everything. Looks good. Yes, it does. So this is one of their signature dishes here. Fork, knife, and spoon, and they're not lying. You can get in there with just the fork. I'm just gonna go in there for it. A big bite too. It's really good. The cheese is super creamy. The bread's crusty on top. Then you get the acidity from the tomato soup. And the soup, it's not like a big bowl of soup. It's just a little soup along the bottom. It's really good. Really good. Really simple ingredients. and well done. All right, so I just left Mythos, and as you can probably tell, I thought it was really good. Is it the best theme park restaurant or best food inside a theme park? Maybe. It's really good. Simple ingredients, done flawlessly. It was good. It was good. Now we're gonna hit up City Walk and some gift shops and call it a day. Be back at it tomorrow. So of course, I had to stop by Voodoo Donut.
Homer, I have baked a special donut just for you.
Forbidden donut.
So I got my Voodoo Donuts. I'll show you guys these donuts when I get back. I got the Voodoo Doll, the Universal Orange Creamsicle, and the Portland Cream. They are huge. No way I'm eating them all in one sitting. Maybe a bite of one tonight, maybe some in the morning, but first ever Voodoo Donuts, and pretty excited to try them, especially after a day hanging out around the Simpsons land. Is just something about being around Homer makes you want to eat donuts.
That's a nice donut.
Until next time, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. So here's a little peek at the Voodoo Donuts. Universal Orange Creamsicle. The Portland Cream, whose eyeballs just got wiped off. And of course, the big bad Voodoo Daddy himself, the Voodoo Doll. That's the haul. I'm going to have a bite, and then I'm saying goodnight. See you guys next time.